The Samsung Galaxy S21 is a high-end smartphone that offers powerful hardware and features. However, one common issue that some users may experience is a battery that drains quickly. In this video, we'll show you how to fix a Samsung Galaxy S21 battery that drains quickly. But before we move on, kindly like and share our video to reach more users who need assistance with their device. Alright, now let's get back to the main topic. Here's what you can do. First solution. Check for battery hogging apps. The first thing you should do is check for apps that may be draining your battery. Some apps, especially those that run in the background, can consume a lot of power. To check for battery hogging apps, open Settings and tap Battery and Device Care, and then tap Battery. This will show you which apps are using the most battery. If you see an app that is using a lot of battery, you can either uninstall it or restrict its background activity. Second solution, reduce screen brightness. The screen of your Samsung Galaxy S21 can also contribute to battery drain. To reduce screen brightness, open Settings and then Display. Now adjust the brightness level appropriately. You can also enable adaptive brightness to automatically adjust screen brightness based on the ambient light. Third solution, turn off unused features. If you're not using certain features on your phone, such as Bluetooth, NFC, or location services, turn them off. To do this, go to the Connections menu in Settings and toggle off the features that you're not using. Fourth solution, use power saving mode. The Samsung Galaxy S21 has a built-in power saving mode that can help extend battery life. To enable power saving mode, pull down the Quick Settings panel and then tap the power saving icon. This will reduce performance and limit some features to conserve battery life. Fifth solution, check for software updates. Checking for software updates on your Samsung Galaxy S21 is important for several reasons. Updates often include bug fixes and optimizations that can improve battery life and performance, address security vulnerabilities, and ensure compatibility with new apps and services. By keeping your phone updated, you can enjoy a better and more secure experience on your device. Sixth solution, factory reset your phone. If none of the above methods work, you can try resetting your phone to its factory settings. This will erase all data from your phone, so make sure that you back up your important files before doing this. After the reset, set up your Galaxy S21 as a new device, and then observe closely to know if it still drains the battery quickly. If so, then the problem could be with the battery already, so you should have a tech check the phone for you. We hope that these solutions have helped you resolve the issue. Thanks for watching.